Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I want to show you how to check the battery percentage on your Apple Pencil. To do this, we're going to make a quick tweak to the iPad, swipe down from the top, and where the clock is, go ahead and swipe to the right, and swipe all the way, one more time. We're going to basically go all the way to the bottom here, tap on edit, and we're going to add batteries. Tap there, hit done, and now it will actually show you the percent of your Apple Pencil. So now I know I have 60% of battery life left. And obviously my iPad had 44%, which also shows up here. But now I know, hey, okay, my Apple Pencil is doing okay. I can take it out, or I probably should charge it. All right, really quick little tweak there. Hope you guys did find that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if you did find it helpful. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Take care and have a good one.